It's been a chilly start of the work week, but other than that, the weather's been quiet on Monday with very little happening on our satellite other than some cloud moving in over the far eastern part of the country. Fine and dry weather takes us into Monday night, and with the clear, dry and calm conditions, we're expecting a cold night over the interior with minimums dropping below zero. In the morning, we can expect a bit of cloud in the northeast, but overall, we're expecting a sunny Tuesday with a high pressure dominating and keeping things dry and stable. Here's a look at our weather forecast across South Africa with a cold start of the day over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, but a warm afternoon for Pietermaritzburg and Ulundi, both at 24. Sunny conditions are forecast throughout KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape with a high of 24 for Mthatha and a mild Tuesday for East London at 22 degrees, with Bishu and Port Elizabeth both warming up to 23. Around 20 degrees as we head towards Beaufort West, George at 5 and 22, with a freezing start to Tuesday morning for Worcester and Robertson and a mild afternoon in store. Sunny conditions throughout the Western Cape, 9 and 21 for Cape Town. It'll be a toasty day for Vredendal with a maximum temperature of 27 with a dry forecast throughout the Northern Cape, with Kimberley and Colesberg both dropping 3 degrees below zero with a high of 19 degrees and 16 respectively. -4 and 18 degrees for Bloemfontein, Bethlehem and the high of 16 degrees with a sunny forecast throughout the Free State. We then move into a bit of cloud for the northwest with a daytime high of around 20. Partly cloudy for Polokwane with a maximum temperature of 19 degrees, 22 for Lephalale and Musina. Even Phalaborwa can expect a bit of cloud with a high of 21. Warm and sunny for Skukuza at 24 with a minimum temperature of -1 for eMakazeni and a high of only 16 degrees with a cold start of the day for the Mpumalanga Highveld and a cool afternoon with maximums in the upper teens. In Pretoria, we can expect a high of 20 and Johannesburg starts off the day at 1 but warms up to 18 degrees with a mostly sunny day and a light northwesterly wind. Now, speaking of the wind, we're expecting a fresh offshore flow along the west coast with a moderate northwesterly wind for Cape Town mainly in the afternoon and a northeasterly wind along the east coast. Our extended forecast for Wednesday shows the chance of rain for Cape Town at 18 degrees, but with a sunny forecast for the rest of South Africa, still warm along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, as well as the Lowveld. And then on Thursday, you'll see the sunny conditions continue across the country, except in the west where a bit of cloud moves in, and we can expect an overcast, cold and wet day for Cape Town at 16 degrees.
News that moves. eNCA.com.